Hello everyone, my name is Shahid Raza, Member Central Executive Council MQM Muttahida Qawmi Movement. My vlog is a part of 4 days social campaign launched by MQM USA, started from October 28 and will continue till October 31st, 2020. The purpose of this campaign is to draw the attention of international community towards the 42 years hectic continued struggle of Mr. Altaf Hussain, father of Mahajir Nation and leader of Sindh, for the purpose of rights and freedom of Sindh. Furthermore, to expose the statocratic role of Pakistani military establishment. Through this campaign, thousands and thousands of letters are being posted to the international community, including Secretary General United Nations, head of the states, parliamentarians, politicians, human rights activists, international print and electronics media, and independent observers. I would like to draw the attention of international community towards the undemocratic, unconstitutional, and inhumane role of Pakistani state towards the suppress small nationalities in Pakistan living in the province of Sindh, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Altaf Hussain is the only leader who is trying to liberate the people of Sindh from the slavery of Pakistan. Long live Altaf Hussain, long live Sindhu Desh.